All right, first thing we're going to do is learn about configuring a site. So quickly, we are in our domain controller 1. Go to Administrative Tools, Active Directory Sites and Services. Let's right-click Sites, New Site. We're going to name this one Main Site. Select Default IP Site Link and click OK. You'll have this prompt. Click OK. All right. Let's switch to our domain controller 2 and sign in as the domain 1 administrator. Go to Administrative Tools, Sites and Services, right-click Sites, New Site. We're going to name this one Branch Site. Select Default, click OK, select OK once more. Now let's change default first site name to HQ. So hit enter, and that's it for 3.3. All right, in domain controller 1 as administrator, right click in Active Directory Sites and Services, right click Subnets, select New Subnet. For this one, we're going to do 10.1.1.0/24. And we're going to select Main Site and click OK. All right, next we're going to log into Domain Controller 2, Administrative Tools, Active Directory Sites and Services. Let's right click on subnets here, New Subnet. And for this one, we're going to type 10.1.2.0/24. Select Branch Site, click OK. All right, now let's take a look at moving computers and creating site links. In Domain Controller 1, let's open up Active Directory Sites and Services and verify that the default site name was changed to HQ. We're going to expand HQ, expand servers, right-click Domain Controller 1, and select Move. Select Main Site, click OK, and then expand Main Site, expand servers, and it has been successfully moved. Now let's attempt to force replicate. You'll see this prompt explaining that it can't be done because it's in basically a different subnet. And so once we create a site link, we will once again be able to replicate. All right, let's right click on Domain Controller 2, select Move, select Branch Site, click OK, and expand Branch Site and verify that it has been moved successfully. And again, we can try to force replicate and we'll get the same message. It can't be done without a site link. So let's create a site link. In Domain Controller 2, still signed in as Domain 1 Administrator. Let's go to Active Directory Sites and Services. Expand Intersite Transports. Right-click on IP and select New Site Link. We're going to name this one Even Link. Select Branch Site, click Add. Select Main Site, add that one as well. Site link has to contain at least 2 sites. Select OK, and click the IP object, and we should see our even link that we just created here. Right click that, go to Properties, and change replication to every 15 minutes. Click apply, click OK. Let's switch back to domain controller 1. Go to sites and services, expand intersite transports. Let's right click IP again and create a new site link. We're going to name this one odd link. Select branch site, add that, main site, add that, select OK. Under IP, you'll see the odd link that we created. Right click that, go to properties, once again change the replication to every 15 minutes. Click apply, click OK. Now that we've created a site link and set the replication time to 15 minutes, we can either wait 15 minutes for the replication to complete, or we can force replication. Let's go ahead and try to force replication. Administrative tools, Active Directory, sites and services, expand sites, expand main site, go to servers, expand the domain controller, highlight this, go ahead and right click here and select replicate now. You'll receive a prompt explaining that it will attempt to replicate across the connection. And just for good measure, let's hop over here to this server and do the same thing. Right click, replicate now. It'll attempt to do it. Now let's verify that it was successful. Wouldn't hurt to refresh a couple of times. And expand intersite transports. Select IP, and we should see both the even link as well as the odd link in this window. And that is it for this video.